Hey bartender, can I get a beer? I graduated a Rec Room Studio class. Woo! Oh. Hey, I'm MR, and in today's video, we're going to learn how you can
Hey
build
man,
in Rec Room Studio. Hey, what's up?
um, congrats on your graduation.
Oh, thanks. You want a beer?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. You know what?
Okay, so as I was saying, hello, I'm MR, and today we're going to build some awesome stuff using Rec Room Studios.
Hey, what is Rec Studio, by the way?
Good that you asked. Rec Room Studio is a powerful tool that integrates with Unity, allowing you to build, import, and optimize environments and assets directly from Rec Room. Let's jump in and see it in action. Now, let's bring in some assets.
I don't know how to do that. How do you do that?
I'll import a 3D model and a texture to show you how it's done.
Okay.
Here's my 3D model that I'm going to be using. Right. The 3D model is a bit big, so let's go to its prefab, scale it down to a normal range like 0.2, and apply. Let's see how it looks now. It is a bit too small, so let's fix that by making it like a 0.5. I think that should be good. Right. As you can see, it has some colors, but let's say we want different colors for it. So first things first, let's drag in the scene object into here and make it a prefab variant for us to be available to put a Rec Room Studio object on it. Right. But right now, let's change the textures. Alright, let's press Control C to copy the material. Let's go back into our assets and press Control V to import it. Let's change the color around a bit because we have it white and right. Now let's click on back onto the variant / prefab and let's add the material like that. See how it has the dirt kind of a texture? It looks actually pretty nice. Okay. Now, let's change some materials on the screen. So let's go back into the materials tab and let's find the texture. Let's find a material that we can use. Some of the materials aren't loading it for me, so yeah. Okay, let's use a cardboard texture. Oh wait. Yeah, let's use a cardboard mat material. So let's press Control C, go to our assets, and press Control V to import it. Now that we have the cardboard texture, Now that we have the cardboard material, let's configure the color of it to be black-ish. Right. Now let's go back to the asset and we'll set the material. Ta-da! And we'll keep this one as it is. Right. My favorite tools in Rec Room Studios are the default tools, the move, rotate, and scale tool.
What are those exactly?
Would you like to interact with prefabs like prefabs/object directly in Rec Room Studios and in Rec Room?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it is actually real cool, but
Let's use it to adjust some stuff. So let's say I want to change the scale on this, I can change it. Let's add the component Rec Room Studio object or Studio object. This will allow us to move, rotate, and scale the object in the game. The Rec Room Studio object has been added. As you can see, the touchpad variant has been added to the Rec Room object category.
Wait, okay. So I did the exact same thing as you did, but then mine's not running smoothly. Can you show me how to do that?
As Sleepy said, he has the same scene except he has different models. It could be because he's using because his models are a bit too detailed. So what he can do, he can bring up Blender and basically make it so the object isn't that detailed.
I think that there's a YouTube video on how to do that.
So I forgot to add onto the object or asset. I forgot to add a component collision onto it. So if there isn't a collision, collider, or something like it, sorry, I misspelled it. If you don't have a box collider, mesh collider, or anything onto it, it's not going to allow you to upload it to reg.net or even test it before you add one onto it. You should be able to double click and see how it looks. I think so. Remember to enable it, else you won't be able to see it and collide with it, and the Rec Room Studio is going to yell at you. So.
Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.